We must engineer a new topological layer of systemic control. The required architectural upgrade is a concept called institutional alignment. It scales safety by matching the complexity of the network it governs. Instead of relying on individual human feedback, institutional alignment implements digital protocols modeled directly on the mechanisms of real-world organizations and free markets. We govern autonomous nodes using market mechanics. By establishing bids, asks, and cryptographic ledgers, data is exchanged only after passing strict filters. Mapping organizational hierarchies directly onto the architecture, we assign specific auditor nodes to constantly monitor and verify clusters below them. These protocols enforce alignment at a systemic level. If a node begins hallucinating or acting maliciously, it isn't corrected by a human spotting the error. It is immediately isolated and corrected by the economic and structural rules of the network itself. True AI safety at scale isn't a matter of training perfect individual obedience. It requires building a resilient, market-driven infrastructure of checks and balances. When we pull back and view this complete architecture at a macro scale, the full scale of the intelligence explosion comes into view. The internal reasoning loops, human AI centaurs, and institutional market protocols fuse into a single functional ecosystem. Scaling intelligence means embracing this extreme, sprawling plurality. The sheer density of interactions is what produces higher-order cognition. The engineering constraint holding us back is the desire to build a perfectly aligned, solitary superbrain. The evidence shows that goal is an architectural dead end.
Alignment research must pivot toward these digital societies to keep pace with the increasing complexity of the networks we are building. The next intelligence explosion takes the form of a combinatorial city, proving that in the future of artificial intelligence, no mind is an island.